In this next lesson, we're going to look at picking pattern number 2 for Travis style picking. So what we want to do again is start with the C chord, and just a quick review: thumb 1, 2, thumb 1, 2, 3. In this we're just going to be using thumb 1, 2, aka PIM. So if we start on a C chord, what I'm going to do, if you remember, is I'm going to place my thumb on the A string because that's the base of a C chord. My middle finger is going to be on the B string, and my first finger is going to be on the G string. Thumb on the A, first on the G, third on the B string. So to start off this pattern, I'm going to pluck or pinch my A and my B string with my thumb and my middle finger. So I pluck, and then my thumb alternates the D string, then 1 on the G. So that's the first half. Pluck, thumb 1, pluck, thumb 1. Now I'm going to do what's called a roll. I'm going to go thumb 2, thumb 1, thumb 2, thumb 1. So if I put that together, I've got pluck, thumb 1, thumb 2, thumb 1, pluck, thumb 1, thumb 2, thumb 1. And if you remember from pattern 1, on a 5-string chord, my first and my middle finger don't deviate from the G or B string. Only my thumb is alternating between the A and the D string. So here's that pattern: 3M, 4N. 1, 2, and 3M, 4N. 1, 2, and 3M, 4N. So I'm going to leave my first and my middle finger where they are, and if I go to a G, of course I've got to hit the bass on beat 1, and the bass is on the E string. So since we're doing a 2-note pluck on beat 1, I'm going to grab my thumb and middle finger and pluck those at the same time. Then I alternate my thumb to the D string, then first finger. So pluck, thumb 1 is the first half of that pattern. Pluck, thumb 1, then I'm going to roll thumb 2, thumb 1. So let's put that in context: 3, 4, 2 and 3M, 4M, 1, 2 and 3M, 4M, 1, 2 and 3M, 4M. So that's how I do this picking pattern number 2 over a 6-string chord. So now over a 4-string chord, a D chord, I've got to move these 2 fingers down towards my feet on the B and E string, my index and my middle, or 1 and 2, and my thumb starts on the D string. And so I'm going to pluck both the thumb and my middle at the same time, and I'm going to alternate my thumb to the G string, then index on 1 on the B. So that's the first half. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and. Now I'm going to roll again. Thumb 1, thumb 1, thumb 2, thumb 1. My fault. Pluck, thumb 1, thumb 2, thumb 1. Pluck, thumb 1, thumb 2, thumb 1. So that's how you do this pattern on a D chord or a 4-string chord. So let's put this in context and let's use the same progression as before. 2 measures of C, 2 measures of D, and 2 measures of C, 2 measures of G, and 2 measures of D. Here we go, nice and slow. 3M, 4N. Here's G, pluck, thumb 1, thumb 2, thumb 1, pluck, thumb 1. Here's D. Let's do it again. Back to C. Here's G. So that's pattern number 2 for Travis finger picking patterns.